Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Afterpay, a popular payment service that allows you to buy now and pay later. Afterpay is a convenient and flexible way to make purchases online or in store, with the option to pay for your purchases in 4 equal installments. To get started with Afterpay, you will need to create an account on their website or through their mobile app. Simply provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number, and you will be asked to link a payment method, such as a credit or debit card. Once your account is set up, you can start shopping with Afterpay at any of their partnered retailers, which include thousands of online and in-store merchants. When you are ready to make a purchase, simply select Afterpay as your payment method at checkout, and you will be redirected to the Afterpay website to confirm your payment details. Afterpay will then split your purchase into 4 equal installments, which will be due every 2 weeks. You will receive reminders and notifications about your upcoming payments, and you can also view your payment schedule and track your installments in the Afterpay app. One of the key benefits of using Afterpay is that you do not need to pay interest on your purchases, as long as you make your payments on time. However, if you miss a payment, you may be charged a late fee, so it is essential to make sure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover your installments. To avoid late fees and penalties, make sure to set up automatic payments through the Afterpay app, and keep an eye on your payment schedule. You can also make extra payments or pay off your balance in full at any time, which can help you avoid interest and save money in the long run. In addition to the convenience and flexibility it offers, Afterpay also provides a range of benefits and rewards to its users, including exclusive discounts and promotions at partnered retailers. By using Afterpay, you can also earn rewards points and track your spending, which can help you stay on top of your finances and make more informed purchasing decisions. Overall, Afterpay is a great option for anyone who wants to make purchases online or in store, but may not have the funds to pay up front. By following these simple steps and best practices, you can use Afterpay with confidence and take advantage of the many benefits it has to offer. Remember to always make your payments on time, and take advantage of the rewards and discounts available to you to get the most out of your Afterpay experience.